SketchUp versus Revit. Which one should you be using for 3D design? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to compare SketchUp and Autodesk Revit, two of the most popular 3D modeling tools, especially if you're into architecture, interior design, or construction. Let's start with SketchUp. It's known for being super easy to use. Great if you're just getting started with 3D modeling. The interface is clean, intuitive, and perfect for quick designs, concept work, or even YouTube thumbnails. If you want to build fast and keep things simple, SketchUp is a solid pick. Now let's talk about Revit. Revit is built for serious architects and engineers. It's more technical, supports BIM, building information modeling, and gives you deep control over materials, dimensions, and construction details. But it has a steeper learning curve and takes time to master. So which one is better? If you're into quick modeling, visual design, or hobby projects, go with SketchUp. But if you're working on real-world buildings, construction plans, or need professional-grade tools, Revit might be your move. Both are awesome, just built for different kinds of creators. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.